Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for task 1 and 26 minutes for task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits. In this email, the writer is clearly asking the building manager for help fixing problems in her apartment. If you need more time to understand the email, feel free to pause the video and read carefully. The answer clearly covers all 3 bullet points provided in the task. For example, the writer gives detailed descriptions of the problems, like the kitchen tap is leaking, and explains how each issue creates inconvenience, such as increasing water bills or causing discomfort at night. The organization of the email is very clear, starting with a polite greeting, followed by clear paragraphs that focus on each problem separately. The tone is formal and respectful, suitable for communicating with a building manager. The email uses helpful linking words like firstly, secondly, and also, making the message easy to follow. Additionally, it includes 2 useful stretch words: constantly, meaning something happening all the time, and frequently, meaning something happens often. For beginners, remember to clearly separate your points into different paragraphs. Also, always suggest specific times when requesting repairs or appointments. This helps make arrangements easier and faster for both you and the recipient. Now let's look at why this answer scores well. If you need extra time, pause the video to carefully read the response. The writer clearly states the chosen option, installing new playground equipment for children, right at the beginning. Two clear reasons strongly support this choice. For instance, the writer explains the playground is old and unsafe, making the upgrade necessary for children's safety and parents' peace of mind. Another clear reason is that better playgrounds help children build physical and social skills. The answer is well organized into a clear introduction, two logical paragraphs for reasons, and a brief conclusion. The semi-formal style fits the survey situation perfectly, showing a polite and thoughtful approach. Useful linking words like firstly, secondly, and however help to smoothly connect ideas, guiding the reader through the text easily. The writer also includes two helpful stretch words, essential, meaning very important, and encourages, meaning supports or motivates. One practical tip for beginners is to clearly state your choice at the beginning. This helps the reader immediately understand your viewpoint. Then, clearly separate your reasons into different paragraphs. This simple strategy keeps your answer clear and easy to follow, improving your overall response. Now I'll explain why this response effectively answers the question. If you need more time, pause the video and carefully read through the text. This writer clearly selects adding outdoor exercise equipment for adults as their preferred option from the beginning. The response gives two strong reasons to support this choice. For example, the writer emphasizes that outdoor exercise equipment encourages adults to be more active and healthier, highlighting its importance for improving adult fitness and reducing stress. Another key point is that healthy adults contribute positively to community life by being more energetic and involved. The response is neatly structured, starting with a clear introduction, followed by separate paragraphs that clearly state each reason. The conclusion briefly summarizes the main points, reinforcing the choice effectively. The semi-formal tone suits the survey format and shows polite consideration. Helpful linking words such as firstly, secondly, and although smoothly guide the reader through the text. Additionally, the writer uses two useful stretch words, essential, meaning extremely important, and motivates, meaning encourages or inspires. One helpful tip beginners can use is to always provide examples or explanations clearly connected to your choice. Doing this helps make your reasons stronger and easier for the reader to understand. Remember, clear and relevant examples make your writing persuasive and well organized, improving your final response.